Whoever acquires the Brahminical qualifications, whose only wealth is good behavior, who is grateful, and who takes shelter of experienced persons, gets all the opulence of the world. I therefore wish that the Supreme Personality of Godhead and his associates be pleased with the Brahmana class, with the cows, and with me. The Supreme Personality of Godhead is worshipped with the prayer Namamanya Devaya Go Brahmana Hitaya Tsa. Thus it is clear that the Supreme Personality of Godhead respects and protects the Brahmans and Brahminical culture, as well as the cows. In other words, wherever there are Brahmans and Brahminical culture, there are cows and cow protection. In a society or civilization in which there are no Brahmans or Brahminical culture, cows are treated as ordinary animals and slaughtered at the sacrifice of human civilization. The specific mention of the word Gavam by Prithu Maharaj is significant because the Lord is always associated with cows and his devotees. In pictures, Lord Krishna is always seen with cows and his associates, such as the cowherd boys and the gopis. Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, cannot be alone. Therefore Prithu Maharaj said, Sanukarashka, indicating that the Supreme Personality of Godhead is always associated with his followers and devotees. A devotee acquires all the good qualities of the demigods. He is Gunayanam, the reservoir of all good qualities. His only asset is good behavior, and he is grateful. Gratitude for the mercy of the Supreme Personality of Godhead is one of the qualities of Brahmins and Vaishnavas. Everyone should feel grateful to the Supreme Personality of Godhead because he is maintaining all living entities and supplying all their necessities. As stated in the Vedas, Eko Bahunam Yo Vidadati Kaman. The Supreme One is supplying all necessities to the living entities. The living entity who is therefore grateful to the Supreme Personality of Godhead is certainly qualified with good characteristics. The word Vridashrayam is very significant in this verse. Vridha refers to one who is advanced in knowledge. There are two kinds of old men here, who is advanced in years and he who is experienced in knowledge. One who is advanced in knowledge is actually Vridha. One does not become Vridha simply by advancing in age. Vridhashrayam, a person who takes shelter of a superior person who is advanced in knowledge, can acquire all the good qualities of a Brahman and be trained in good behavior. When one actually attains good qualities, becomes grateful for the mercy of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and takes shelter of a bona fide spiritual master, he is endowed with all opulence. Such a person is a Brahman or Vaishnav. Therefore, Prithu Maharaj invokes the blessings and mercy of the Supreme Personality of Godhead with his associates, devotees, Vaishnavas, Brahmins, and cows.